Good morning, student. How are you? Today we are going to start. Our next topic is Olymp- objective of Olympic Games. Objective of Olympic game. What is objective? Objective means उद्देश्य क्या है उसका। उद्देश्य मतलब क्यों ओलंपिक गेम कराए जाते हैं और उसका उसके पीछे रीज़न क्या है, कारण क्या है। ऑब्जेक्टिव उद्देश्य, राइट। अकॉर्डिंग टू कार्बोटेन, following object can be achieved through Olympic Games, right? First is developing the spirit of patriotism and brotherhood in players. ओलंपिक गेम का सबसे बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट रोल है डेवलपिंग द स्पिरिट ऑफ पेट्रियटिज्म एंड ब्रदरहुड इन प्लेयर्स। क्योंकि एक देश के लिए हमने वी हैव टू विन फॉर अ कंट्री, आवर कंट्री। और ब्रदरहुड कि भाई जो एक फ्रेंडशिप होती है, आपस में कोऑर्डिनेशन होता है, उसके लिए। टू डेवलप पर्सनैलिटी, करेक्टर, सिटीजनशिप, क्वालिटी एंड हेल्थ अमंग द यूथ, दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। देन टू पे अटेंशन टूवर्ड्स फिजिकल एजुकेशन एंड स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्पिटिशन इन द ऑल कंट्री ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। ये सबसे मेन इम्पॉर्टेंट है इनके लिए। देन डेवलपमेंट पर्सनैलिटी, करेक्टर एंड सोशल क्वालिटी ऑफ हेल्थ अमंग यूथ। जैसे ओलंपिक गेम ऑर्गेनाइज किए जाते हैं, उसमें हम तीन चार चीज़ों का स्पेशली देखना पड़ता है। पर्सनैलिटी, करेक्टर, सोशल क्वालिटी एंड हेल्थ। पर्सनैलिटी कैसे भाई, यू हैव टू वेल मैनर्ड, वेल कल्चर्ड, वेल एजुकेटेड। देन करेक्टर, character is very important. If character lose na, once there is a saying, money lose, nothing lose, health lose, nothing lose. If the character lose na, you are lose everything. Character is the supreme and topmost quality of a human being. If the character is you lose na, then social quality of health among youth. सोशल क्वालिटीज़ की, एक दूसरे के कल्चर की रिस्पेक्ट करना, एक दूसरे के कस्टम्स की रिस्पेक्ट करना, कलर की रिस्पेक्ट करना, ये सब चीज़ें सिखाई जाती हैं। देन फॉर्मेशन ऑफ गुड हैबिट अमंग यूथ यंग सो दैट दे कैन लीड हैप्पी एंड प्रॉस्परस लाइफ। देन टू डेवलप पेट्रियटिज्म एंड फर्टर्निटी अमंग स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन। द फिफ्थ इज डेवलप इंटरनेशनल फर्टर्निटी एंड पीस। नो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ कास्ट, कलर एंड क्रीड। ये बहुत ही यूनिक और बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट ऑब्जेक्टिव है। नो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ कास्ट, कलर एंड क्रीड। टू डेवलप द यूनिटी, ब्रदरहुड एंड कोऑर्डिनेशन अमंग द डिफरेंट नेशन टू मेक पीसफुल एंड गुड यूनिवर्स, राइट। देन ओलंपिक वैल्यू, व्हाट इज द ओलंपिक वैल्यू? ओलंपिक वैल्यू, if we glance at the various objectives of modern Olympic Games formulated by Descartes, we immediately come to know that Descartes wanted to develop these values through Olympism. So he put the still effort to start the Olympic Games. In fact, the following value can be developed through Olympism. First is brotherhood, second is impartial game, then third is no discrimination, the fourth is friendship, then fifth is respect, sixth is value, friendship, brotherhood, unbiased sports and personality, and excellency. These are the approximate seven values we learn through Olympic Games. First of all, brotherhood, right? Brotherhood. Olympic movement is instrumental in the developing of brotherhood. When the player different country play together, comes together, sit together, dine together. They develop unity among themselves, thus further brotherhood develop. जब हम एक दूसरे से मिलते हैं, कल्चर के बारे में बात करते हैं, भाषा, लैंग्वेज, कलर, कस्टम्स, रिवाज और सौ चीज़ें, तो हमें एक भाईचारा, हमारे ब्रदरहुड मीन्स भाईचारा डेवलप होता है. देन इन पार्शल गेम्स, the Olympic Games provide an opportunity for impartial games. These games are based on justice. So each player and each team should be judged fairly. Rules and regulations should be applied to each and every team. There should be no partiality towards a specific team or player. The sports officials should be true to their word and action. Live by code or get out. This is the slogan should be raised, right? Then third is no discrimination. Very important, no discrimination. According to the suggestion of Mr. Carberton, there should not be any discrimination on the basis of caste, color and creed. Olympic Games promote the spirit of brotherhood and try to abolish discrimination. The player of different country, culture, tradition, caste take part. They should not treat unfairly. The player forget their background or roots and they help promote Olympic values. But expectations are always there. In 1972 Olympic Games in Munich, Israel players were killed ruthlessly. In 1936 Berlin Olympic, Jesse Owens bagged 4 gold medals, but on the ground of racism, discrimination, Adolf Hitler refused to honor Jesse Owens. Some countries have wasted interest in these games, then want to prove that they are better than other countries. But it can be started. The Olympic movement has failed to promote values. We should have positive outlook so that value may be promoted through Olympic movement. This is a very important topic and point is free from discrimination. Because जब हम किसी के साथ भेदभाव करते हैं ना, तो कहीं ना कहीं हम उसको अपना एक दुश्मन बनाते हैं और उसका एक मोराल, उसकी एक लॉयल्टी हम खो देते हैं. इसलिए ओलंपिक वैल्यू की बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट है ये, नो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. देन फ्रेंडशिप. द Olympism provide many opportunity to develop friendship not only among the participation but among the nation also. When Olympic Games are held, the participation get close on the other. They became friends. The national that have tense relationship come together closer. China is one of the example. Due to ping pong diplomacy, it started to participation in Olympic Games after a long gap. So Olympism provide ample opportunity to develop friendship, right? Olympic movement presents such opportunity to as instrumental in developing friendship not only amongst players but also countries. Player of different country come to take part in Olympic Games. When they are together, they became friends. Even when they are intense on between two countries, they come closer to one another through Olympic Games. Then fifth point is respect. Very important, respect. This value motivate the player to show sportsman spirit. Every player should respect it and also respect the opponent, rules of the games and environment. Then value, friendship, brotherhood, unbiased sports, partiality free. This is the sixth value, very important. It can be said that Olympic play an important role in developing of these value, but a dark side of Olympic is also seen. Many countries participating in Olympic just to show their superiority on the other country, but that is also a downfall of these value. that many countries of the world boycotted in 1980 Moscow Games and 1984 Los Angeles Olympic. The Olympic movement failed to develop the above said values. These should be positive thinking. There should be positive thinking towards these values so that these values can be developed. Excellency. This value motivate a person to give the best performance on the field of and outside of the field. This is the main value of Olympic game. Solidarity. Olympic This Olympism also provide ample opportunity to enhance solidarity. It gives a feeling of brotherhood and unity among various nations. It creates cushion among the participation and as national.